Hi there everybody, and welcome to this edition of the Wednesday Whiteboard, where we're going to explore how you can use the beautiful digital accounting app called Xero to help you streamline your business. My name is Willem Haarhoff. I am one of the founders of the Go-Getters group, and at Go-Getters we really understand how difficult it is for business owners to make high quality decisions based on information they can trust. And if they get it wrong, the stakes are very high. They could lose cash. The business can close down. If the business closes down, people can lose their jobs. And we believe that nobody deserves to be making decisions based on inaccurate or incomplete information. And so this is where we believe using an app like Xero to help you streamline your business is absolutely key in managing that process. So what you see on the whiteboard today is essentially 4 examples that I've built to help demonstrate how this streamlining process could work. And the whole principle is all about making a decision to do business in the cloud. So going completely digital. And essentially what we are saying is your process will always still be your process. That doesn't matter what business, but because of the ability of apps that are in the cloud to integrate, you can now use Xero, identify the apps that will best help you automate and streamline your business, plug them in, and that way you are able to regulate the flow of data. And in my mind, once you see that picture, the obvious question is, who wouldn't want to have that? So what I've got here is on the top left-hand corner is what we refer to as a basic app stack. An app stack is just another way of saying the combination of cloud-based apps that you can use to plug in to create that integration to help you streamline your business. So I'll quickly talk through that basic app stack, and then I'm going to just show you 3 actual examples of a real-life business. So on the right-hand side, we've got for a trade, meaning if you're a plumber or if you install and repair air conditioners or anything where you need to be able to create job cards so that you can keep costs for a specific job together, and that will ultimately help you invoice much easier and more effective. And then at the bottom, one that's fairly popular is a retail environment. I'll talk through that, and then on the right hand side, what does it look like for a restaurant? Now let's zoom into the basic app stack, and why I'm starting with the basic app stack is basically to demonstrate that the basic foundation or the construct of a digital business looks pretty much the same. We always recommend you use Xero. Xero is where all the debits and credits will happen. And the nice thing about it is Xero makes it beautiful. You don't actually have to worry if it's a debit or a credit. You just need to understand, have I spent money, or did I receive money? Or did I issue a sales invoice to a customer, or did I have to incur a bill from a supplier? So it uses very nice street language so as to make it easy for anybody to use the app with very, very little effort. What it then does is it enables you to set up an automatic bank feed so that you no longer need to worry about obtaining bank statements and typing that data into your system. So with that bank feed, every single day your bank transactions are automatically repurposed into your accounting package, ready to be reconciled. At the bottom, we've got Receipt Bank. That is the app that you're going to use. Download on your phone whenever you've got an expense, a credit card slip, an invoice from a supplier. You snap a picture with your phone, or if you receive it by email in PDF format, you simply forward that email, and you can even automate that by creating email inbox rules, and it then does all the heavy lifting. You need not get a person to physically type that shoebox full of documents into your accounting system. Maybe you employ people. So there's an app called SimplePay. SimplePay also plugs into Xero. And what's nice about that is you need not be a payroll specialist to do a basic payroll. You can set it up yourself. You can integrate with Xero. And once the payroll has been processed, it pushes the accounting data into your system. Maybe you want to do a campaign to your customers. You want to send out bulk emails. One of the beautiful things about Xero is that it treats your customers and your suppliers as a contacts database with very basic CRM functionalities. And with its integration into MailChimp, you need not keep a separate database of your customers and your suppliers in an Excel spreadsheet. Everything is one place, and that's one of the reasons Xero is very beautiful. And then lastly, if you don't like the abstractness of some of the reports in Xero, you want more visualization, there's a beautiful app called Sift. It's a South African-based app. Great guys that done some excellent work in building a kick-ass reporting tool that pulls your data out of Xero into various graphics and visualizations that really helps you get better insights into your business. Let's move over to a tradesman. So, very simple. The app stack can pretty much stay the same. But for a tradesman, the problem you need to solve is a little bit different. As I mentioned a few minutes ago, you want to manage your jobs on a job-by-job basis. And Income Service Mate, an app that we use for some of our clients, it automates the creation, the management of your job cards, keep all the costs together. Once the job's finished and you invoice, it does the invoicing, sends it to the customer, and all that data is pushed into Xero. Beautiful business made real easy with this integration into Xero. Maybe you are a retail store with an online shop using Shopify. Again, your basic app stack remains pretty much the same, but in this case, the problem you're trying to solve is that of a retail point of sale solution. So you want to manage your stock. You want people to come to the counter. You want to select all the items from the touch screen. It automatically adds everything up, takes it out of stock. You collect your cash using Yoko. And with all of these integrations, you need not spend unnecessary time to do accounting once you've closed your register at the end of each day. And then lastly, if you're a restaurant or you're in the hospitality industry, you can see it's very, very similar, except now instead of using a Vend or a Shopify, you will use Ikentu. Ikentu also gives you a point of sale solution, but for a restaurant, your problem that you want to solve is different. You've got stock, you've got recipes, and all those things need to be built every single time you sell something. Ikentu helps you automate that process so that you can keep a handle on your stock, but also what you sold, your prices, and so on and so forth. So, that's just a very quick summary and overview of how you can streamline your business. The bottom line is, with Xero, you can pretty much write on a white canvas exactly what you want. Go and select the apps. There's hundreds of apps out there, and Xero is a one-of-its-kind accounting digital platform that can integrate with almost anything. If you need any help, please don't hesitate to contact Go-Getters. We are standing by and ready to assist you with how you can migrate your business into the cloud. Have a lovely day. Thank you.